Well, as I was flying my drone, all of a sudden it seemed to tumble.
Hit it! That's what I'm talking about.
Wait!
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys.
We're now back on the plane, waiting for it to take off towards Osaka to then go to Kyoto. Just wanted to say a big thank you to Korea, you beautiful, lovely, charming country. We shall be back.
감사합니다. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. Konnichiwa. Okay, we have immigrated, we have declared that we have nothing to declare, we have our tickets to Kyoto. Now all we need is a Wi-Fi. One internet, please. So, we have our Wi-Fi. It's a little bit more expensive than in Korea, just a little side note. We pay now roughly £45 for it. That was 6,200 Japanese yen for 7 days of usage. The coverage is unlimited, whereas some of the others that were around 200 to 300 yen more only were 500 megabytes a day. So that's quite a big difference. We got it from a place called Mobile Center. Very friendly, very helpful guy. And it's exactly opposite to the tourist information desk. So go there. Some of the others are also called Mobile Center. Look for the one that costs 6,200 Japanese yen for 8 days, actually. 6,200 Japanese yen for 8 days. So we've just had our first dinner in Japan. We ate at a place called, what was it called? Yoshinoya? Yoshinoya. I think I've heard of the brand before. I think they exist in the US or something like that. We have never come across it, but from the looks of it, it looked very much like a Japanese fast food kind of chain, especially considering the guy next to us woofed down his rice with beef in less than 5 minutes. And that is from the moment he walked in to the moment he walked out the door. 5 minutes. Anyway, now we're back at the hotel. They've provided these, I don't know if they're fancy looking, these white robes, which we assume are some kind of pajama. So let's put them on. Nice.
Do I look like a doctor?
Day 20, 21 of our trip?
20 kids. I don't know.
Something like that. Day 2 of Japan. Okay, I just gotta show you this. This is really quite cute and clever at the same time. In order for you not to burn yourself if you take your coffee out, they put a little sticker over the hole.
Kiss here. Kiss here.
What do you think about that hot stopping solution, Hello Internet? So we think we might have figured out why they put these cute stickers on the top, like that. Because as Ellie read about yesterday, in Japan you don't drink and walk at the same time. I mean, that's just, why would you do that? Like, what are you doing to yourself? What are you doing?
On others.
What are you doing with your life?
You can trash the street with a coffee cup.
Exactly. So, for those people who still wanted to go to like the office or wherever, they put the stickers there so that when they go and like take the subway or something like that, it doesn't spill.
Oh my god. Pika pika. the fat one. The Snorlax that had the right fatness. His face wasn't perfect. It was asymmetrical. And then I found this one, and he's looking to the side like, "Whoa." I'm like, I don't want it. I want it like that. Okay. I'm almost done. I need to go through the last row. I've already examined those. I think this one is the best one now. Wait, this one is wider. Do you like him? I'm not sure.
Okay, after some exciting times in the Pokemon store center, time to discover some actual Kyoto. Very.
What happened?
Well, as I was flying my drone, all of a sudden it seemed to tumble.
You thought game over?
It's like, you know, when you throw a GoPro from like a cliff or something and look at the footage, it goes all tumbling shit.
Yeah.
That's what it looked like on my screen. But luckily, I know a couple of recovery moves for the drone. So I tried them and we saved it. We think it was attacked by a bird.
Naughty bird. I saw a bird going that way, but I didn't think it would interfere. It's coming home! You say,
Craft Boss Coffee. I am a craft boss now. Hello. Welcome to Building Ice Cream 101.